Soft piano, rain outside the window, a quiet voice remembering love that couldn't stay. We used to talk about forever, like nothing could stand in our way. Two hearts running toward the future, too young to be afraid. You held my hand through every hard night. I swore I'd never let you go, but life kept pulling us in circles, further than we know. Your family wanted something different, mine was breaking at the seams. You were chasing bigger cities, I was drowning in my dreams. And somewhere between growing older and learning who we are, the distance slowly found us, even when we weren't far. I saw it in your tired eyes, you felt it too somehow. We were trying to save a love that didn't fit us now. You changed, and so did I. The future that we painted slowly faded over time. We tried to hold on tight, but love alone can't make two people stay. No, nobody was wrong, no, nobody betrayed. We just walked together for a short part of the way. And maybe someday we'll look back and smile, knowing we were beautiful, just not meant for the same life. Your voice became less familiar, mine did too, I guess. We stopped talking about forever, started talking less and less. The silence wasn't angry, it was heavy, cold and real. Two people slowly breaking without knowing what to heal. You had mountains left to climb, I had wars inside my head. And love became a memory, sleeping quietly in our bed. Maybe hearts can love each other and still not belong. Maybe growing up just means knowing when something is gone. So I stopped asking you to stay, and you stopped saying you would. 'Cause deep inside we understood, we already lost what we once could. You changed, and so did I. The dream we built together split into separate lives, and every tear we cried couldn't stop the ending from arriving. Still I thank you for your love, for every sleepless night, for teaching me that some people are only meant to change your lives. Maybe in another lifetime we'd have made it to the end, without the weight of families, without the world closing in. But this life had different plans, different roads to choose. And loving you was beautiful, even if I had to lose. You changed, someone who can hold your heart forever. And I will too someday, when the pain no longer stays. 'Cause not every love story was written to remain. We were only meant to meet, to heal, to grow, to leave. Two souls passing through each other before finding where they're meant to be. No blame, no regrets, just two people who loved each other deeply, but not forever.